is how arrangement of this drum brake. This Nissan Primera drum brake. How I arrange it. Set this one here. Then you flip this one. This one too like this. Then you set this one. This particular thing is self-adjustment. See? It's self-adjustment. So you adjust it like this one. And like this, and then put this one here. Here is the place of it. And set it inside here. I can see. So you give out a string so that it can fix them together. It's how it goes. Alright, after that, this small thing here also come here. Open it like this one. So now I can see that it's fixed. Then another string come under here. Then come over here. That's it. I saw that. Here we go. This is a K Garage. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and get more about drum brake fixing. This new type is self-adjustment. You can see self-adjustment. So when you press the brake, this one shifts and adjusts itself inside the drum. Thank you very much. This is LK Garage. Subscribe and improve the work moving forward. Thank you. Bye bye.